Did you know you can build a website in just 10 minutes, completely free, using AI? In this video I'll show you exactly how, step by step, with a tool called Hostinger. Stay till the end to see the result. So what is Hostinger? Here's the idea. Create your own website in minutes with Hostinger Website Builder. Choose from more than 300 responsive templates, or let AI build a website for you. Basically, it lets you build a website right in your browser, with no skills needed. Let me show you exactly how. Here are some real examples created with Hostinger. Just look at the quality, and remember, all of this was made by regular people with no experience. With Hostinger you can build a website and a whole lot more in seconds. No downloads, no complicated setup, everything runs right in your browser. These results are stunning, and the best part is you can make something just like this yourself in only 10 minutes. Let me show you how. First, head over to the Hostinger website and click Sign Up. Log in with your Google account in just a few seconds, no credit card needed. To build a website, just type a simple description of what you want, or upload your file. The AI takes care of all the hard work for you. Hit Generate, and in seconds the AI creates your result, just like these examples. Pick your favorite and move on. When you're happy with it, download your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your projects, or social media. Done in 10 minutes. The free plan is perfect to get started. If you need more, the paid plans are cheap and scale up as you grow. And that's how you build a website with AI in 10 minutes. The link to try Hostinger for free is in the description. If this helped, subscribe. I review a brand new AI tool every single day.